Hello friends, welcome you all in your favorite channel VClasses. Here we are again creating something innovative that can enrich your mind and change your world. Yeah, you have listened correctly. Change your world. Just dream that you have all the control of your house in your hand, and just by clicking a single button you can on your fan, you can on your AC, you can change the state of your bulb, and you can turn off TV by just by just pushing a button in a single remote. Yeah, so this time I have created a RF based home automation. Yeah, actually, here you can see that I have two PCBs. In this first one is TX. This is the transmitter, and this one is the receiver one. So the concept is that if you able to see that here I have used no microcontroller. This project is totally without microcontroller, and it is based on that RF frequencies. Yes, you have listened correctly. RF frequencies. And for connecting these two, I have used I have used these RF transmitter and this RF receiver. Yes, and by encoding the schemes of this particular module, I have used that ST12, the ST12 12 EIC, which is an encoder, which means encoder, and here I have used ST12 DIC, yeah, which is the decoder one. So the concept is that here you can see that I have applied a I have applied a regulator IC, which is 7805, to convert the output voltage to 5 volt, because this whole circuit is very this whole circuit works on 5 volt or under 5 volt, and because this IC is so sensitive about voltage, and here I have connected some push to on switches. You can see that I have written some numbers here. Actually, this is actually there is very important relationship with these numbers while you create that receiver. Here you can see that in this IC, this is ST12 ST12 EIC. We have lots of pins, and if you see at the back, yes, if you see at the back, I have created this circuit. You can see that you can see these wires. Yeah, this one. These red, blue, red, blue. These four are the signal wires. Means by using so, I can send any signal from this device, from this transmitter to this receiver. And this way I can connect it. So you can see that I have made it using a digital circuit, which you can find under the below description. And here you can see that this is the transmitter circuit, this is a receiver circuit. In receiver circuit, the same, I have used a 7805 regulator IC, and then this is the receiver one. This is a 433 megahertz RF receiver, and you can see that here I have used two ICs. Yes, two ICs. First one is ST12D IC, which is the decoder IC that decodes the signal coming from this encoder IC. And again I have used L29 3D IC. Motor driver IC can control a motor and help us to move it forward and backward at the same time. Okay, so actually here I have also used that BC547 transistors. But you are thinking about that, why have you used so? Actually, in this module there is a problem that when you when a signal comes from this side to this side, it comes as one. Means if you don't give any input here in the pins, the module always show the decoder pins a signal 1. Means the pins are in high state. But if suppose I have connected a motor with that, so I don't want that motor run all the time. So I need to convert the logic. I need to inverse the logic. So that's why I have created this inverter by using that BC547. You can also find the link of that the inverter circuit in the below description. You can see that very complex soldering is here, and the number thing that I have told you is the importance of that is you can see here. Here you can see that that this is that ST12 EIC, and here this yellow wires are basically the signal wires. So I have started counting from here. Here it's like this one is the first one, this one is the first one, this one is the second one, this one is the third one, and this one is the fourth one. So the same logic that sent from this one can mirror at this point. So at this point of contact. So I have mentioned these numbers for the easy of my development, and this way this the whole module is created. Now I am going to solder it, and after soldering I will show the working model of this project.